Estimation is a critical process in civil engineering. It involves calculating the quantities of materials, labor, and equipment needed for a construction project. This process helps determine the approximate cost of the project. Accurate estimation is crucial for project planning, budgeting, and decision-making. Estimation in civil engineering considers various factors. These factors include material costs, labor rates, equipment rentals, and overhead expenses. By carefully analyzing these factors, estimators can provide a realistic cost projection for the project. Accurate estimation is essential for the success of any construction project. It allows project managers to make informed decisions, secure funding, and ensure that the project stays within budget. Cost estimation in civil engineering typically involves a systematic approach. The first step is to thoroughly review the project plans and specifications. This review helps the estimator understand the scope of work and identify the required materials, labor, and equipment. Once the scope is defined, the next step is to quantify the materials. This involves calculating the quantities of concrete, steel, wood, and other materials needed for the project. After quantifying the materials, the estimator determines the labor hours required for each construction activity. The next step is to determine the cost of equipment rentals or purchases. Finally, the estimator considers overhead costs such as permits, insurance, and project management fees. By combining all these cost components, the estimator can develop a comprehensive cost estimate for the project. There are different types of cost estimates used in civil engineering, each serving a specific purpose at different stages of the project. The initial estimate, often called a conceptual estimate, is prepared during the project's early stages. This estimate provides a rough idea of the project cost based on limited information. As the project design develops, a more detailed estimate, known as a preliminary estimate, is prepared. This estimate uses more refined information and considers specific design elements. Once the design is finalized, a final estimate, also called a bid estimate, is prepared. The bid estimate is the most accurate and is used for bidding purposes and securing contracts. Each type of estimate becomes progressively more accurate as the project progresses and more detailed information becomes available. Accurate cost estimation is crucial for the success of construction projects. It helps assess the project's feasibility and determine whether it aligns with the client's budget. Accurate estimates also allow for effective resource allocation and planning. By understanding the estimated costs, project managers can allocate labor, materials, and equipment efficiently. Furthermore, accurate estimation plays a vital role in contract management. It provides a basis for negotiating contracts with contractors and suppliers, ensuring fair pricing and minimizing disputes. Accurate estimation also enables effective cost control during the project's construction phase. By comparing actual costs against the estimated costs, project managers can identify any deviations and take corrective actions to keep the project within budget. Section 5. Conclusion. Estimation for project success. In conclusion, estimation and costing are fundamental aspects of civil engineering and construction project management. Accurate estimation is crucial throughout the project lifecycle, from the initial feasibility assessment to the final project closeout. It enables sound decision-making, effective resource planning, efficient contract management, and successful cost control. By mastering the principles and techniques of estimation, civil engineers can ensure projects are completed on time within budget. Ever heard of a quantity surveyor, or QS for short? Trust me, they're the unsung heroes of the construction industry. Today I'm breaking down exactly what they do and why it matters for you. First off, let's talk. Imagine you're about to build a skyscraper. Sounds cool, right? But how much is it going to cost? That's where a QS steps in. They prepare detailed cost estimates to help determine the budget. No surprises, just solid planning. Next up, think of contracts as the rule book everyone has to follow. QS professionals prepare and manage these contracts, making sure all terms and conditions are met. Basically, they keep everyone on the same page. Now, let's discuss. Ever wonder how contractors and suppliers are chosen? QS oversees this process, evaluating bids and recommending the best options. It's all about getting the best bang for your buck. How about? Throughout the project, QS monitors costs and manages expenditures. They keep an eagle eye on the budget, identifying any potential cost overruns. Think of them as the financial guardians of the project. Then there's the QS assesses and values the work completed by contractors, okaying payments for work done. This ensures that everyone gets paid fairly and on time. Don't forget, QS identifies potential risks and implements strategies to mitigate them. They safeguard the project's financial interests, making sure nothing is left to chance. Last but not least, QS ensures that all construction activities comply with relevant laws, regulations, and standards. This is crucial for avoiding legal headaches down the line. So, why is all this important? Because as future engineers, understanding the role of a quantity surveyor will make you better at planning, budgeting, and executing projects. It's like having a superpower in your engineering toolkit. And if you're curious about calculating materials like bricks, cement, or steel for beams and columns, guess what? QS has got your back. They're experts in breaking down the numbers, ensuring you have exactly what you need. So are you ready to dive into the world of quantity surveying? It's a game changer for any aspiring engineer. Hit that subscribe button and let's unlock more secrets of the engineering world together. Catch you in the next video.